Welcome. In this video, we'll walk through how to conduct hyper-specific research that's easily and seamlessly repeatable using workflow agents. Workflow agents give you the power to generate high-quality deliverables like deep research reports, pitch decks, tables, and slides, all with a single click. Whether you're using a pre-built agent from the AlphaSense library or building personal workflows and scheduling them to run at regular intervals, workflow agents allow you to customize AlphaSense to address your unique and specific research needs. Explore AlphaSense's library of pre-built agents and, with a single click, kick off a workflow specific to any topic, company, or industry you're researching. Each AlphaSense agent will note what the output will be, which can help you in deciding which agent you might opt for. Use these agents if you know what your desired output should be, but you're not quite sure how to craft the prompt to get there. If you wish to create a custom, unique workflow, opt to create your own agent. Build your custom prompt for your desired task. Include variables to make it dynamic, and even have AlphaSense improve your prompt if you'd like some adjusting. After saving, you can find your custom agents here and can launch a workflow with a single click. You can also turn any generative search query asked into an agent directly from the response. Sometimes you might need to automate your entire process, getting answers at the exact moment you need them while eliminating extra steps to get there. Create a custom agent and add a schedule to have AlphaSense run the agent at a specified interval, delivering you an email when your response is ready. Summarize the last 24 hours of your coverage organized by content perspective. Monitor several companies or theses and keep track of everything to prevent missed information. As your needs evolve and become more robust, workflow agents empower you to customize AlphaSense to not only work with you, but for you. Thanks for watching.